Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2014 Hyundai IX35 stock number 6584. This ran from the 6th 2013 and 1st 2016. It has a G4MC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4MC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, sun cracks, needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front 17-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Front bonnet no dents. Left rear 17-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front guard no dents. Right front headlight. Has sun cracks, needs polish. Right front 17-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front gutter slot. Sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.